Module 4, Lesson 24's objective is to use manipulatives to represent subtraction with decompositions of 100 as 10 tens and 110 as 10 ones. Problem 1. Solve using mental math. If you cannot solve mentally, use your place value chart and number discs. Item A. Since the directions are to solve using mental math, I will go ahead and explain the way I'm thinking. And then I will show you what it would look like using place value chart and number discs. For A, it says 38 minus 8. If I drew a place value chart here and labeled it ones and tens, I would need to draw 38. 38 has 8 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember, only 5 goes in a row, then start a new row. 38 has 3 tens, 1, 2, 3. Now, if I take away 8, 8 is the same as 8 ones. I do have enough ones in the ones column that I'm able to take away 8 ones. 5, 6, 7, 8. So that leaves me with an answer that has a 0 in the ones place and a 3 in the tens. That number is 30. Now, as I look at the next problem, it looks very similar. Instead of being 38 minus 8, it's 38 minus 9. 9 is just taking away one more than I did in the previous one. So if my answer to the previous problem was 30, and I take one more away from that, then my answer should be 29. On 138 minus 38, I could use the same idea as I did with the place value chart on the left, but I would just go ahead and add a 1 in the hundreds place. That's a column that comes after, right to the left of the tens. So I could do it like this. I could draw another column, and I'll just put an H here for hundreds. And so I would change this drawing to look like this, 138 as the original number, and then I would cross out 38, which is 3 tens and 8 ones. So the 8 ones I've already crossed out, and here's the 3 tens that I could cross out. And now my new answer would be 100. Finally, if I look at 138 and take only 3 away, I could alter the drawing again. I'll put those 3 back. And I'll erase this crossed out amount. Put my 8 back. Okay, now there's my 138, but this time I'm only going to cross out 3 ones, because 3 is the same as 3 ones. So I'll just do that. And now I'm left with 5 in the ones, 3 in the tens, and 1 in the hundreds, which is 135. Now you can do row B yourself. You can choose to use a place value chart, or you can think it through like I did on the second problem. Problem set 2. Solve using your place value chart and number discs. Unbundle the 100 or 10 when necessary. Circle what you did to model each problem. I'm going to underline the key pieces of information in the directions. Using your place value chart and number discs. Unbundle when necessary. Circle, and I'm going to even circle the word circle, what you did to model each problem. All right, 115 minus 50. I'm going to draw a place value chart. Ones, tens, hundreds. Now I'll draw 115. 115 has 5 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 10, and 100. If I'm going to be subtracting 50 from that, 50 has 0 in the ones place, so I don't have to do anything to that. But I do have to take a look at the tens place. The tens place has 5 in the tens column, but the picture only has 1 in the tens column. So what I have to do is I have to unbundle this group of 100 and put it in the tens column. And that's 10 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now instead of having just 1 10, I have 11 tens. If I want to subtract 50 from this, I know that 50 is the same thing as 5 tens. So I'll cross out that row of tens. That leaves me with 5 in the ones and 6 in the tens, or 65. Below it, it says I unbundled the 100. Did I do that? Yes, I sure did. I unbundled a 10. Did I do that? No, I did not. Okay, now let's look at item B, 125 minus 57. All right, so here is the place value chart. I'm going to label it ones, tens, hundreds. Now I draw 125. 125 has 5 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 tens, and 1 group of 100. 57. I need to take away 57. 57 has 7 in the ones. Do I have enough to take away 7 ones? No, I do not. That means I need to unbundle a group of 10 here and put it in the ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I have 15 ones. Can I take away 7? Sure enough. I'll cross out 5, 6, 7. That leaves me with 8 left in the ones place. Remember, I'm subtracting 57 from 125. So now there are 5 tens in the number 57. Do I have enough to subtract 5 tens from the tens column? No, I do not. That means I have to unbundle a group of 100 and put it in the tens column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 tens is 100. Now I have 11 tens. If I have 11 tens, can I take away 5 tens? Yes, I can. I'll cross those right out. So that leaves me with 6 tens, or 68. On the bottom it says I unbundled the 100. Did I do that? Yes. I unbundled a 10. Did I do that? Yes. This is the strategy that you will use to solve items C, D, E, and F. If it helps you, you might want to even write the math problem vertically as you're doing the subtraction. That way you remember what you're supposed to be subtracting. So then you can look at it and say, well, in this case I have 5 ones. Do I have enough to take away 7? And then do the drawing. And then continue on with the tens column and hundreds column. It's up to you.